Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to create live link between FreeSphere and Unreal Engine to animate MetaHuman. So first of all, we need to install IVCam, which I already did, and connect it with our Android phone. We also need to install that app on your phone so that your phone can connect with your desktop like I'm doing right now. And after that you need to download Facial Studio, which is starting right now. Sorry, it's a FaceWare Studio. And here it is. See, it is capturing my camera. When you will start FaceWare Studio, and it will show like this, and you can select your cam and webcam as well. I'm using my phone cam because it is giving me better quality as compared to my webcam. So you can select webcam from here and just give your natural facial expression, then click on capture neutral. You need to see towards the camera and give the natural pose. So see, like I'm doing here. See, it immediately track your eyes, nose, lips, and eyebrows. Like, see, right now it is happening here. For the time being, I am putting this side. Now what I need to do is just a second. What I need to do is now download my MetaHuman and do setting from here. Download setting, go to models and select UA asset and source asset so that you can import that file in Unreal Engine properly. After that, you have to like set the link between Face Studio and the Unreal Engine. Before that, you need to create a project. Like, see, right now I'm doing launch. I'm working on Unreal 4.26.2 edition right now, and select the format, the template you want to proceed with. Next, then I'm using blank template. Then next, and I'm just saving this file to YouTube video on Engine MetaHuman, and here it is. It's Unreal Engine. And I can keep just a second. I think project name is too. Um, I think that's better. Now, Meta Human Live Link. Create project. As you can see, file has been opened, and now we need to do some steps to make link between FaceWare and MetaHuman, sorry, FaceWare and Unreal Engine. For that, you need, when you downloaded FaceWare, you will get some files along with it. Even when you download the Glassbox software, you will get the live client Unreal Engine 2.42. For that, you need to do, go to into the extract the file and go into the live folder. Further, copy the live client and go to your Unreal Engine project, the folder where your file has been created like this, and create a plugins software folder and paste that folder into the folder. Folder. And then after that, go to the folder which you downloaded from the Faceware software studio website. Copy that content folder and paste into the project directory of Unreal Engine. It will automatically merge with content folder. After that, close this folder, this one as well, and go to the bridge, export the MetaHuman to Unreal Engine. The exporting process has been started. It is successfully exported to Unreal Engine. Now it is loading in the Unreal Engine, and you will get messages like this. You need to enable the missing plugins. Enable missing, enable missing, enable missing. Then it will ask for the restart. Click here to restart the Unreal Engine so that Unreal Engine can load the files. I think now it will not take much longer time. Now file has been opened. Now you have to click on import and update project, and here is something you need to see. Basically that is the licensing for the glass box which you need to activate. Right now I am using basically trial version of glass box. Just give me a second so that I can activate it. And finally I have entered my serial key and now my trial version is get activated. So let's close it. When the MetaHuman imported into your file, there will be a folder inside the directory which is named by MetaHuman. Double click on MetaHumans. There will be the folder with the name of the character you have created inside MetaHuman Creator. So here is the blueprint of MetaHuman, and what you need to do is click on it and right click. Let here it is loaded now. Create child blueprint class because I don't want to mess it with the original blueprint. So you can name it accordingly, but I'll keep the default name. And drag and drop this child blueprint into the viewport, and you can see MetaHuman is loaded inside the Unreal Engine. Press F key to focus on the metahuman. Then rotate it on z-axis with 90 degree so that it will face towards the viewport. Here it is. And what you need to do before go to the before edit, edit its blueprint, you need to add a camera over here. Go to cinematic, drop cine camera actor, and click on perspective, cine camera tray actor 1, select Omar with the metahuman model, press F, it will be automatically focused on the character. Here it is. Now what we need to do is go into the camera setting and focus setting, keep manual, face method manual, and click sample scene here. See, now our camera is focusing on metahuman's face. So what we need to do now is edit the blueprint to add something. Open the level blueprint, and here it is. We need to work with event begin play because this event will help you to camera, add a camera into it, and start with that camera. Select the Cine camera actor, drop it into it, and what we need to do is add untick context sensitive. Click here, type set view, then go a little bit down, 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 and here it is. Set view target with blend. What it will do is it will let see the camera focus on the metahuman and drop into this event. Then one more, get player, sorry, player controller, this one. Connect it with target. Connect the camera with new target, new view target. Save it, compile it, save it, close it. Now if you will play this, then you can see the metahuman. That is the step for that. stop. Then you have to edit blueprint of MetaHuman. In this, you need to add a component which is face where live link. Here it is, and here what you need to do is, then after that go to the face inherent, then use animation blueprint and select here, select AVP FW MetaHuman face. Then go to body inherited, select use meta animation blueprint and select AVP FW MetaHuman body. Okay, then select MetaHuman, yes, save, compile, save and close. Select MetaHuman, then here is a configurator. Go to the face live in inherited configuration. You need to put your IP address over here. Let me link my IP address with it. What you need to do is go to CMD command prompt, type IP config /all, and here is an IPv4 address which you need to copy into this. So what we need to do is type your IP address into this bar so that Faceware can connect with Unreal Engine properly. Then after that, what you need to do is go to the Faceware Studio, go to Streaming Panel. Before taking on stream to client, you need to do is just change the legacy setting to standard or ARKit. It will work perfectly, but legacy is not working in my case. I don't know why, but I have used this standard as well as ARKit. They are working very well with my MetaHumans. So take stream to client, then go to Unreal Engine and play, and here you can see the character is working perfectly. So this is really amazing experience. Finally it is working now, and you can try it by yourself. If you have any doubt, any problem, please let me know, and please hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial till the end. Thank you.